We have rid the country of our extraterrestrial terrorists. But this opened our eyes to a number of other things we are doing wrong to our planet and ourselves. By not using the natural energy that the Earth has provided, we are slowly destroying our planet. The gases we emit from numerous plants around the world to produce electrical energy is resulting in global warming. Not to mention the illegal dumping of biometric and chemical waste in our seas and rivers, limiting our livelihoods and our chances to survive as a race. The aliens were right. We don't deserve this planet if this is the way we're going to treat it. The planet that gave us life, we must in turn protect it from both ourselves and beings from other worlds. Gaia, aka Ki, is my home amongst million others, including the aliens that have adapted this planet. And I am dedicated to protecting it. Help us to improve Jamaica's infrastructure and build a strong nation. Global warming is indeed a fact. How we manage our waste will determine our survival. I will be watching. I am Jamaican.